My Fisher Paykel DD603 dish drawer is leaking from the bottom. It looks like at the locking nut on the underside of the drawer in the center.
I'll do all I can to help. Tell me a bit more about what's going on so we can help you best.
That's about it. I just bought the property and I ran the dishwasher on rinse after cleaning the filter trap. That's when I noticed the leak.
Sometimes appliance issues that you think will be really complicated end up being easy to fix. The appliance technician I'm going to connect you with knows all the tricks and shortcuts. Is there anything else important you think the appliance technician should know?
Nope.
Okay. Got it. I'm sending you to a secure page on JustAnswer so you can place the $5 fully refundable deposit now. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the appliance technician about your situation and then connect you to.
Good morning. If one of your drawers is leaking from the center locking nut below the drawer, it means that one of your seals has either gone bad, or the rotor wore a hole through the stator motor assembly. Either way, the only way to get the seals is to replace the entire stator motor assembly anyways, so the solution is the same: replace the stator motor assembly. Below is a link to the part you and number 39, you need to order and replace for your model. Click here for stator motor assembly. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.